This 2026 Alliance RV Paradigm 395DS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Mesa, Arizona, 85202 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Mesa. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, rear bath, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.